So now in this lecture we are going to see how you can create the anonymous free email using some dark web sites. So now we are on the hidden link. So now let's go and see some messaging websites here. Let's see. Let's try to find some messaging websites. So this email and messaging. So as I told you before, this mail tool is one of the best one. It works like Gmail and Yahoo, but mail tool is a free, anonymous, and email services meant to protect your privacy. So this, by using this mail tool, your email you send, it's encrypted and it's somehow anonymously, so you can be able to send email anonymously and without some track. So now let's go here and click on this link, this mail tutor, and wait our website to open. So now as you can see, we are on our site. We have home, register, login, change password, and deactivate. So now let's register. For to create an email address, you have to register. As you can see, click here on register, then username. So now let's you have to find like you can use your name, but I recommend you to use the anonymous name, but you can choose any name. Let's use Keystar 0101, and password, you can use any password you want as long as you remember it. And confirm the password, you have to type it again. So now you have to enter this reCAPTCHA and submit the queries in A3WC2, then click here on submit query. So now they told us as so username created, you may now log in. So now let's log in and see what it is. Let's click on login. Click here on login. Wait and see. Keystar 01, the password 14, then login. Okay, let's wait and see. Username and password incorrect, so let's start and see. Keystar 01. Let's see. Okay, now as you can see, we are in our dashboard. We have here, it's like a real email. So here we have draft, we have inbox. Let's see, welcome to mail tool. As you can see, it's like the normal email sites like a Gmail or Yahoo. So